Gentle, balanced formula. Infused with moisturizing Japanese Tsubaki extract and rice water, MyKirei by KAO Shampoo deeply nourishes and restores balance to all hair types. Perfect for all hair types. Designed to restore balance, MyKirei by KAO Ultra Gentle, paraben-free shampoo formula leaves hair cleansed, soft and healthy looking. Japanese Tsubaki and rice water. Japanese Tsubaki, known to be rich in oleic acid, proteins and glycerides, and vitamin-rich rice water are known as the secret to sleek, strong, shiny hair. Breakthrough sustainable bottle. MyKirei by KAO Air Bottle reduces waste and uses up to 50% less plastic versus traditional bottles and is 100% recyclable. Plant-based cleansing system. MyKirei by KAO Shampoo is paraben-free, vegan-friendly, 95% biodegradable, cruelty-free, phthalate and artificial dye-free. Nourishing shampoo with Japanese Tsubaki rice water. There is beauty in simplicity. That is what inspired us to create a complete, balanced formula for every day and everyone. Nourish and replenish hair, wash away build-up, impurities and pollution. Perfect for all hair types, this shampoo, with a plant-based cleansing system, helps you simplify your cleansing ritual, without sacrificing results for soft, healthy-looking hair. MyKirei by KAO Ultra Gentle, balanced shampoo cleanses and replenishes for soft, nourished hair. This plant-based, gentle cleansing system washes away build-up, impurities and pollution while deeply nourishing hair. An infusion of moisturizing Japanese Tsubaki extract, known to be rich in oleic acid, proteins and glycerides, and vitamin-rich rice water, MyKirei by KAO Shampoo leaves hair cleansed, soft and healthy looking. The light and soothing fragrance is inspired by Japanese rock gardens that bloom with refreshing tranquility. Discover a sustainable solution to your hair care needs, reducing waste with MyKirei eco-friendly bottle made with up to 50% less plastic that is 100% recyclable. Satisfaction guaranteed. Top reviews from the United States. Natural care. After trying numerous options, so happy to have found the one that provides all the three above.